Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, June 8th, 2018. So, leading up to this forecast, we were concerned about this upcoming weekend being a bit of a washout with the potential for heavy rainfall. But the latest data and observations looks like it's going to keep a lot of that rainfall to the south of the region. And overall, although there will be a threat for a shower or two throughout this entire weekend, most locations will have dry weather conditions, although a bit on the cloudy side, so not exactly beach weather, but not a washout as what was originally concerned about and worried about. If you're heading out to the Mets-Yankee games this weekend, definitely be prepared for an isolated shower, but these games will be played for the most part in dry weather conditions, with winds generally from the northwest tonight and northeast tomorrow night and on Sunday night, keeping the wind blowing into the park. But overall, I think the Yankees might have some words to say about that in terms of home runs. I don't think it's going to impact them too much. Mets, well, maybe they'll get a hit. We'll see, right? So let's dive into these temperatures right now. We have temperatures in the lower to mid 60s throughout the region with a southwesterly wind ahead of a cold front that is on the way. When you take a look at the surface map, here is our cold front that is approaching. This cold front will move through tonight through tomorrow morning, producing a few isolated showers. Then the cold front will stall to the south of the region with waves of low pressure, focusing that rainfall over the Delmarva Peninsula and around the Washington, D.C. metro, but keeping the bulk of the rainfall to the south of the region. Again, can't rule out a few isolated to widely scattered showers, but not a washout for this weekend. On the radar, again, not much really showing up right now with this cold front. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see the cold front dropping south here. Again, this is a weak cold front. It really doesn't have a lot of strong lifting. A lot of your lifting or support is either focused over the St. Lawrence River Valley heading towards New England, or back here over the upper Midwest where we do have some clusters of showers and thunderstorms that have been developing. For the most part, though, this cold front is a dry cold front. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Cold front will move through with a few isolated showers. Temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. For tonight, a few isolated showers are possible. Otherwise, variable cloud cover with lows in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, again, can't rule out a few showers, so certainly be prepared for that. But for the most part, scattered to broken cloud cover is expected, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast and upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. On Sunday, that cold front lingers over the region and another one drops through, producing the potential for some widely scattered isolated showers. Your best potential for rainfall will be from Philadelphia on south. So if you're heading down towards Atlantic City or towards Cape May, New Jersey, those locations you have a better potential of seeing rainfall than, let's say, around Long Island, New York City, or the Connecticut coast. Temperatures on Sunday with a northeasterly wind will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows and lower to mid 70s for highs. On Monday, high pressure will build in with a northeasterly wind continuing, leading to scattered to broken cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. On Tuesday, that high pressure system settles right over the region with light and variable winds. Look for lows in the mid 50s, highs in the mid to upper 60s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 70s everywhere else. On Wednesday, a warm front will approach the region with scattered showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, lower to mid 80s everywhere else. On Thursday, a cold front will follow with a few scattered showers. Looks like the cold front passage is going to be in the morning, so not much of a threat for thunderstorms at this time, but we'll keep an eye on it. Look for lows in the lower 60s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. And on Friday, another cold front will approach with some widely scattered showers. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s and highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.